Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to repair a tire that fell off the rim. Now this is a lawnmower tire, this is a front tire, it's a tubeless tire, so you can't just put air in it, you have to actually seal this bead. And what happened is it got low, I drove it back to the shop, by the time I got back it fell off. So it's pretty easy to fix. All you need is some starting fluid, a lighter, and an air compressor. That sound you hear is a bad valve stem. I was able to replace it pretty quickly. I didn't show it on camera. I was just kind of checking it to see what the problem was. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to set a bead. It's pretty fast, and I've tried this method plenty of times, and it works every time. Just be careful with open flames and compressed air. If this video helps you out in any way or you learn something new, go ahead and smash that like button. And write a comment. Tell me what you did, if you had to change anything or how it worked out for you. I'd really like to hear that. And if you're new to this channel and you like these kind of videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Alright, thanks for watching.